What would I do if I had £20,000 saved up as an accountant? What would I do with that money? Well, the first £9,000, I would put that straight into an emergency fund. Why? Because I don't know what the future holds. I might lose my job one day. And in case I do, then I'll be covered for 3 months at least. All my expenses will be paid. So I don't have to worry. My car payments, my mortgage, rent, utility bills, all of that will be paid. I won't lose my home. And the rest of the money I would put straight into a stocks and shares ISA. Why would I do that? Well, reason number one is because any gains that you make from your stocks and shares ISA is tax-free. It's not taxed. Compared to a regular investment where you do get taxed on your income, in a stocks and shares ISA, you don't get taxed. And reason number two is I can invest up to £20,000 a year, which is my allowance, and I intend to make full use of that allowance. So I'll put my £11,000 into that stocks and shares ISA for this year, and any other money that I make as well. So if I make £9,000 in the next few months, I'll put that straight into my stocks and shares ISA. That's it. That's what I would do as an accountant with £20,000. Follow me for more tips.